This week at Boots at Burlington, we're going to pour these 6 kids here. Up first, great brand, just super small production. But this is Stoneface. We have the APA, American, well actually it's an American IPA. But the Blip, it's 5.8% alcohol. Drinks more like a session. Get out of there. Drinks more like a session IPA. But 4 of us tried it facing each other tonight, and we all said it tastes different than each other. So you got to come down and set it straight. Next to that, we have their original IPA, a little higher sauce count, but another big kid IPA for you bitter fans. Next to that, we have this legendary heady topper of the South, quote unquote. I mean, it's 7.8%, but big, juicy, tropical splash on the back there. Very easy to drink. By far and away, one of my favorite IPAs. Next to that, we have the new Bentwater Jolene Porter. It drinks like a straight-laced porter, but good flavor to it. Nothing's really added to it. Everybody wins. Over here, though, we got one that was lost on our shelves here. This is the Baxter Winter Seasonal, the Phantom Punch. It's 6.8%. It's one of the strongest stouts that we have in a can, but it's phenomenal. We're going to pour that for you this week. And last but not least, new from Abita, this is their Bayou Bootlegger Root Beer. So it's a 6.4% alcohol, but it's nice, solid root beer. It's not as sweet as Not Your Father's, but just to show you everybody's trying to get into the game. So come down this Thursday, come play.